this next video, we're going to show you how to install a water meter on a 1/2 inch PEX line. You'll start by taking your meter connector and putting the gasket in it and snugging it up on the meter. You'll then cut a 2-inch piece of 3/4 inch PEX and place a ring on it and insert it into the meter fitting. You'll then add your other ring for the other side and get a 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch PEX crimp fitting. You'll then crimp both sides. And you'll want to repeat the same steps for the other side. And then from here, once you have both sides on, you'll want to set your meter up alongside the pipe so you can get your measurements. You also want to make sure that you tighten your meter fittings. From here, you'll make your measurements and your 2 cuts. Then you'll want to add a crimp ring on either side of the line. From here, you'll crimp those 2 fittings. And once you turn your water on, your meter is good to insulate and run heat tape on.